Hi guys! So, first class ko today for Pilates and excited ako and medyo nervous kung inisip ko kaya ko pero ayun, matagal na ni-recommend sa akin to ng doktor ko. Ngayon ko lang talaga siya um, magagawa para para din yan sa back pain ko tsaka sa shoulder pain ko since na-accident ako last year. So, yeah, let's go. We're here sa Calma Pilates sa LB. 11 a.m. pa yung class ko, so I'll have to wait pa for 25 minutes. But yeah, I'm here.
So let's start. Like no? Yeah, sige. Good. Then foot natin sa foot bar. Nice. Then thread left. And breathe. Exhale, push. Good. Straight up. Yeah. And turn. Exhale. Then straight circle. Yeah. And return. Exhale. Try to extend your legs without lowering your hips. Sige. Straight down legs. More. Nice. Lift pa hips. Yeah. And return the bend without lowering the hips down. Yeah. Sige. Go. Yeah. And then roll down. Exhale. Squeeze. And return. Exhale. And return. Singing. Hands with the arms. And inhale. Exhale, go press them. Nice. More. More back. Tayo mo mag-intensity. Sige. Good. And return. Okay, last one. Exhale, pull. Lift your upper body up. Good job. Return. Last one. Inhale. Right on spine. And then bend. And stretch. Good job. And then bend. Last one. And more. Inhale, open pala. And exhale. Yeah, it's enough feel. It's a hard one. Take those first. Then return back to the seat. Inhale. Bend. Exhale. Pull. Yeah. Then the physical movement. Nice, not bad. Inhale first. Round your back. Exhale. Yeah. More. 3, 2, 1. Rounding your back first. And slowly. And we're done. Thank you so much.
Oh my God, yes, I'm done. Na-enjoy ko siya. Nahirapan lang talaga ako kasi medyo mahina lang talaga yung body ko. So, well, normal naman yung mga Pilates shake. But, yes, nag-enjoy ako. So, okay. Sobrang okay ng Pilates.